How are you today, class? So let's have attendance first. So instead of saying present, you will say the sounds of your favorite animal. Understood? Yes. Okay, so let's start. Giselle, meow. Second, meow. Bird. Krista. Marianne. Erin. Sheila. Ruchi. Giovanni. Jen Luis. Kimberly. Amanda. Janice. Jeneline. Mary Rose. Crystal Jane. Debbie. Corinne. Despi. Lagania. Kristen. Erish. Anshayli. Mary Joy. Judeline. Julina. Lalaine. Glenmark. Jonah. Amy.
begins in 3, 2, 1, go. You will start doing the yes, jacket boy in Tagalog. Chinichang in Chinese. Yes, chinichang daw in Chinese. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. Do you have now a pair? Yes. Okay, face your pair first. Face your pair. Face your Are you all ready?
Nandira kaya mo di ko ano mga parang sinag na una ang bago na mga headset.
Yes, thank you for that, Iris. Very good. Yes, sure.
Teacher, I noticed that
Teacher, I answered teacher.
that there are a lot of pictures, teacher, and some of those pictures, teacher, are aesthetic picture, just like those pictures.
Wow, thank you for that, Priscilla.
Teacher,
Teacher,
Yes, madam.
teacher, I noticed
Okay, so collage is a composition made by assembling various materials and ingredients and textures to create a unified design. It can be done traditionally using paper and glue or digital using software or arranged elements. Okay, so collage is an artistic composition made by assembling materials such as images, pencils, to form a unified design. It allows artists to combine various elements in a unique way to express ideas and emotions. And there are two main types of collage, traditional and electronic collage. But first, we're going to talk about electronic collage. So kindly read, class. Electronic collage is the digital form of collage art where various elements like images, text, and textures are combined using software tools. Okay, so with technology now, class, we can now create collages digitally. So instead of using scissors and glue, we can now use software tools to adjust or to arrange images, text, and textures. So these methods are more flexible because we can now edit, resize, and move elements. So to help you understand better, I'm going to show you a video on how to create an electronic collage using a software tool. But you should pay close attention because later on you will create your own collage and I will just play the video once. Understood? Yes.
So for example, I am using
There's a lot of black box. Can I have one picture? I will bring that in our home.
Teacher, I cannot stay teacher.
Format, and then we'll change outline, and then we'll change the weight and the size of the outline. And then we'll do it again, one time. And then change the color, for example, we will use yellow or red. This sheet, so what we do it. So we finish the format, go, shape, click, and then click picture. And we will go to our file. Go to document, then click our folder. After you click our folder, insert, choose one picture. First picture I will use in the insert. And your picture is in the sheet. So if you want to create this one, you make a full folder. When you do this one right here, then right here, it's that picture, but click source format. So click, you have one picture, and then another one. So that's it. Okay. So you can choose whatever picture you want from your sheet. This is how simple you can see our model.
Okay, so okay, so class, eyes with me. So class, as you see on the video, and I know it's a little bit hard for you to understand electronic collage, but it's fine. Later, of course, later or Wi-Fi, right?
Yes.
I see in the video class, the guy there, you said Hazel is very strong, yes, it is. And the video there is very simple, it's for a beginner like you. So he's using a Word document app to make an electronic collage. So he downloaded the pictures in the places in Thailand, and he dragged the pictures, and then he put it on the blank space, and then he clicked the symbol, and then he adjusts the images, he adjusts the textures, and he add a symbol which is the hexagon shape. Is it the hexagon shape?
It has 6 sides.
Okay, very good. Can you tell? Later. So do you have any questions about electronic collage? Okay, so now let's move to traditional collage. Can you read?
It's an art form that combines cut-out materials like paper and photos, glued into a surface to create composition.
Okay, so earlier I asked you that did you try to cut out pictures for magazine and paste them together to make a design, and you said yes, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is a traditional collage. So traditional collage class is a classic way in making a collage. It involves cutting out pictures from a used magazine or papers and glue it onto a surface such as cardboard or clean paper to create a composition. So creating traditional collage class is very easy because you will just need easy materials like glue, scissors, and unused magazines or unused newspaper. And you need to cut out pictures out of it, and then you need to glue the pictures, and you need to paste it on a clean paper, right?
Yes.
It's very easy and fun, right? It also fosters your creativity, your critical thinking skills, because you will decide and you will think what is the theme of your collage, and you need to think what's the design of your collage, what's the textures, and that is very fun of traditional collage. So let's go back to your answer here. This one is the example of traditional collage. This one. So it is visible on the top.
No, teacher.
So this one is an example of traditional collage, and your answers here are all correct.
Wow.
Okay, and this one is the example of traditional collage.
I think it's electronic.
I mean electronic collage. This one is the example, and your answers here are all correct. So can you give yourself a 5 club? Okay, so do you have any questions about traditional and electronic collage? Okay, so now I have a question. So what is the difference between traditional collage and electronic collage? Teacher!
Yes, I think the difference is teacher is a traditional teacher kay cut out ang mga like papers or mga pictures na may face. And then ang electronic teacher kay use na ka like for example atong document kay research na mga pictures teacher and it's an easy way na siya para mag-teacher kay need na
Okay, very good. Irish, another hand. Yes, Estelle.
Teacher, the differences between those two teacher is traditional is that you can make it by yourself, teacher, your own creativity teacher, your own resources teacher. But electronic teacher is it is all provided teacher. It's only the teacher on how to design the picture.
Okay, very good. Another. Yes, Janice.
And traditional collage teacher you have to utilize things such as
you only need to find picture and all that out of video. And also, teacher, electronic teacher, pwede ka rin maghanap ng mga glow, scissor,
Traditional is more easier than the electronic because traditional is already provided with
teacher, mas clear ka rin, teacher, kaya technology, technology for today,
Ang buhang may nindot teacher, ayun ang buhang teacher.
ang teacher, traditional teacher, dahil nalaman natin teacher, pwede na makagamit na kasi teacher na.
Teacher na kaya answer din eh. Actually, gamit ang duha, but I won't choose one, but in traditional kay kanang if artistic ka mapagkatao and na kay mga makita sa imong surroundings na ma-cut out nimo kanang makuha na nimo kanang ganahan ka sa traditional, but when it comes to electronic na namagod siya kanang like given ang mga elements or makapag-search na okay kanang give me some mango kanang design, something like that. So nasa kanang differences because if you will use Wi-Fi, so go na sa electronic, pero wala kay Wi-Fi, go na ka na sa traditional. Pero for me, sure, teacher, kay I'm not an artistic person, so I will choose electronic. Thank you. Teacher, balik!
Teacher, tubig. Tubig, teacher. Tubig. Tubig.
Okay, so let's give ourselves a round of applause. So now, since we all consider crafts as an art, now, do you want to become an artist? Alright, so let's transform our classroom into an artistic classroom. Alright, so now, let's make our own collage. Let's make our own collage, but before that, I will divide the class into 4 groups. This will be the group 1, group 2, first is group here. Because let's all become on the board. Okay, so group 2, group 3, group 4. Usually we get your materials from teacher team. Alright. So for the additional, here's what we're going to do. I have here in the MS Word app or software, I have here a set of pictures of animals in page 1 and page 2. You're going to transfer it in page 3 and your name is all about love and care for animals. It's up to you if you follow this shape, or for you, love is circle, square, you can change this. Or love is digital picture. This is for digital badge. So do you have any questions? Ask for teacher. Let's do it together. Yes. Next, for traditional, as you can see, there is a bond paper here, and in this envelope, there are pictures of animals, and we're going to paste it here according to the theme love and care for animals. Understood? Yes, sir. Alright, so don't worry, class, because all the materials that you may need is already provided. Okay, so lesson class, you be quiet. Alright, so in doing the activity, I have only one rule. If I say give me 5, you'll do this and you'll lower your voice so that we have a smooth and organized artistic world. Alright? Remember that when we transform our classroom into an artistic world. Wow. Yes. So teacher, I will give you 10 minutes to do the activities. Artists, are you ready?
Yes!
Yes. Alright, so your timer starts now.
We're done, teacher. Wow, cute kayo ang image, teacher. Teacher! Ito na kayo. Ang stop. Dili makapiri. What is that? Class, you
Class, grade 5. By the way, class, for both traditional and digital, we use the different elements and principles of arts. Give it a nice year. Yes. How's the activity, class? Very Are you done, class? Take your time.
Ikaw man ipon adto na.
You are already done, teacher. You are too late.
Oh, matang teacher ha.
Done making all
Yes, class? Yes. Come on. Okay, so we only have 2 minutes left. Right, just keep your work there.
Are we going direction on mobile?
Okay, so we're not done yet.
Teacher, wait for
Give me 5, oy! Sounds okay on straight. Speak back. Lower your voice. Okay? Okay. Teacher, dapat na sila ay. May pagpabihin ko.
group?
So group one is the coming from the center. Briefly. Okay, listen everyone. Okay, so this is our artwork. So we choose the shade hexagon because we prefer to use that because of this. And then we put together different animals. As you can see, we have deer, the cat, the deer, the bear, the dog, the monkey, and the pig. And also the rabbit, the giraffe, and everything. So the shape that we choose is called okay. And then we choose the heart shape because everything is low. Alright, so let's go. Group one, eyes black.
Teacher, we want to present. Okay, paman, don't go. Silent, give me 5. Hi everyone, so look at our collage. I know that it's not perfect. Don't laugh because nobody's perfect. Yeah, it is. It was an electronic. As you can see, there's a heart here. And we only add 4 animals. Why? Because I have all those animals here. So this is my cat. The name of my cat is Sheridan. Sheridan always eats our rat, so I love him so much. This is a deer. My father is a Santa Claus, so we have a deer at home so that we can distribute the gift. And here, this is a tiger. This is what I ride when I come here. And then this is the dog. That is why there's a lot of slippery sand or it's lapo. Yeah, lapo. Yeah. There's a lot of lapo outside because but I love them because they always say quack quack quack. Thank you.
To let you know.
Shut up.
So that's our picture.
So I know that this is not collage because you know there's a potato in here, but this is our collage. It's so beautiful.
Not collage.
I know, but you know we don't have a lot of material.
More like this.
You don't like this one?
Always remember the rule number 1 and number 3. Okay?
Okay, classmate, this is our group members animals. This is our work, the college. So this is Rampa, and this is Janice. This is Janice, and this is George. The monkey.
Only man has the picture.
And this is Kadrisha. And this is
Last year, me five. Last always remember the rule number 1. Alright, so let's give the 3 1 Are you ready?
Audio popular.
is the old or the old version and making collage, and the electronic is the new version and making collage, which is much more updated already.
Okay, very good. So what the challenges you encountered
Teacher, what teacher? And we lack of materials, teachers with these pictures.
We struggle forming hard teacher because it's hard. Teacher, we don't have internet teacher, so we use a friendly teacher. We bunny the picture.
We encounter challenges in the electronic collage teacher because we don't have the knowledge on how to navigate or maneuver the electronic.
So, give everyone a mosquito club. Yeah!